Hey guys, welcome back. Today is another unboxing. Surprise, surprise. So this is going to be the February unboxing of the Boxycharm. Last month was my first time getting Boxycharm and I was so happy with it. I thought it was so worth the $20 a month, or $21.95 it is. I'll leave the website down below if you want to go check it out or sign up or anything, but I highly recommend it. And I follow Boxycharm on Instagram, so I have been looking at all the sneak peeks, and it looks like this box is all about like highlighters and glitters and just glowing, so I am so excited to see everything that's in here, so let's just jump right in. So the theme for this month is Galaxy Glow. So right then, you can tell you're gonna have a lot of sparkly stuff in here. And this is what the inside looks like. I'm so excited. So this was one of the sneak peeks that they showed on Instagram. Ooh, almost dropped it. It is by Naked Cosmetics, and this packaging is so like holographic. Do you see this? Oh my god. But this is a highlighter palette, and look at those colors. Oh my god. So this kind of reminds me of the Aurora highlighting palette from Anastasia, which I actually have, but I want to swatch one of these. Let's swatch the pink one. Wow. Okay, that is super like holographic and reflective. And that was literally just one swipe. So, super excited to try all of these. I am obsessed with highlighters. I feel like I will never have enough, so very excited about that. Okay, so this is just a little 20% off code on Cover FX, so that's cool. Then I see more good stuff. Okay, so this is just a basic black eyeliner, it looks like, from Vintage. So can never have enough eyeliners. I have a million, but that's okay, just add some more. This is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This looks like it is a glitter eyeshadow. And this looks very sparkly. So that's a purple eyeshadow, purple glitter eyeshadow, or rather a pigment, because it has these little holes on the top. So this is, I would guess, some like loose pigment. So this will be fun to experiment with. Then we have from Cover FX, this is a cream. Okay, so this is like a cream glitter eyeshadow. I think this was another sneak peek on Instagram, but ooh, this packaging is so cute. Look at that color. So this is just like a cream glitter eyeshadow, and oh my god. And this camera will definitely not pick it up, like how beautiful it actually is. There we go. You can see some of like the reflectiveness that it has. That is so beautiful. I feel like, ooh, maybe I'll try this on Valentine's Day. I feel like you could create a really pretty Valentine's Day look with this. Pretty in pink. Love it. And last, again, I saw this on Instagram, but I was super excited about this. This and the Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette is what I was most excited about, but these are 3 crown brushes. And I love crown brushes. They are such good quality, and these are so beautiful. Like, look at these. They are all white, and then the actual like brush itself is like a white to pink ombre color. Like, I don't even want to use these. They're so pretty. These are so gorgeous and they are so soft. So I am very, very happy with these. And like, normally in these little like subscription boxes, you'll only get like one brush, but you got 3 full-size brushes. You can't go wrong. So this is definitely an eye brush. And these two, it looks like they are for the face, that you can probably use for anything. This one will probably be a really good like contour brush because it looks nice and small and you can get it right in there to contour. I'm gonna have to try this. And this one maybe you can use for like blush or just an all over like face powder. And then you can probably use either one of these too for like a highlighter. You can use them for anything, I'm sure. So that was everything that was in the February box. So excited to try everything. Once again, this did not disappoint. And I am so happy that I decided to try this box out. And yeah, like I said in the January unboxing, I'm going to try to do these unboxings every month throughout the year. One of my 2018 goals. So again, if you are interested in this box, I will link the website down below, and make sure you follow them also on Instagram. Their Instagram is just Boxycharm, so make sure you check them out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoy these monthly unboxings. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.